I think we can all agree that health is the most important thing in our lives. I mean, your health is your wealth, right? I mean, that's really totally spot on. And in this era, in 2024 and beyond, we have so much wealth of information out there. I mean, whatever you have a question about, you go on the internet and you start searching and asking. And what I've noticed is that despite this wealth of data out there, information out there, there's a lot of confusion, there's a lot of noise, and people and patients struggle when they are faced with an illness, separating the signal from noise.
Hmm.
That's one thing. So there's really continues to be a need for clarity and for explaining things and for simplifying things